Oh, hell yeah.
This is cool. As long as you're on the same thing, I'll leave it open, man.
Dude, this is fucking sick. Colin.
You coming?
I'm gonna come.
Oh yeah? Just area back.
This right here?
Yeah.
Is there any AC down here?
Oh, holy fuck. Oh, dude, I can imagine it getting sweaty. Dude, this is sick.
Bro, what the fuck?
I might have to swap to my X-Fog, honestly.
I should have got a flashlight out there. Where's my father?
So you're gonna shoot.
I should have got a flashlight.
No, you're fine.
I know, you just showed me that right.
Wind that up.
Do myself a favor here. I don't know where I'm shooting.
I don't know, but tracer.
Well, those aren't tracer beams, that's why.
That's all right.
You just shoot at something.
I was like, dude, my tracer's not working because those aren't tracer beams. They're still not working.
Remind me after this match, we'll get batteries.
Who's the arm that shot me in the butt?
Who shot you?
Somebody shot
Someone shot you already?
me. It was you.
Yep.
Can you push my stock down one more, please?
Hey.
Stick together.
Thank you. I'm thinking of you.
Go.
Push, push. Oh no, I got left, got left.
Got right. Got left of you for it.
Call him out, call him out. Don't push too far, don't push too far. Far right side, far right side.
Make sure you watch this. I'm peeking around here.
Hunter, right side, right side. 3 o'clock. Copy.
Who's in front of us?
Hunter.
That's Hunter? Still over there.
Yeah, he's got that flash hider.
Right?
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, let's swing.
Huh?
Call it 40.
All right, push left. I'm gonna push right. Push in, push in, push in. Hey.
I think so. I don't know if it's elimination or not.
Hey, come on.
Fuck yeah, man. Good fucking push. Goose, did you get that guy?
Who's that?
On you.
I think I just team killed.
Go. Yeah, I'm on the right.
Got left. Ethan, keep your eye on the left.
Watch left.
Push, push, push. On you, on you. Move, move.
Kid, I know I hate you.
Watch left, watch left.
Hit. Come on, dude. Call it. There you go. Take that spot. Take that spot. I'm on you.
Reloading.
Hurt.
Tangle down.
All 5 are down, dude. All right, give us a second to back up, guys. All right, let's back up. All right, here they come, pushing up middle. Dude, I just fucking wiped out all of them.
Back up, back up, back up. Nice, pull back. Pull back, pull back. Yeah, pull back.
You just said fucking fall back, dude. Why are you still there falling?
Is this your spawn?
There's one like right there.
I'm fucking halfway in the fucking thing.
Shit, dude.
It is toasty down here for sure.
That's what I'm saying. I took off my undershirt.
I'm gonna have to put my X fog on. So is this the only area you guys play? Just this area? This square? Is this the whole field?
It was
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Sweet,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's very quick.
The person that was shooting the spawn, that was me. That was on me. I saw it.
You're good.